how to add a tag to a phone number in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then in here, tap on Recents. Next in the list, open up a phone number that you want to add a tag. For example, this one here. Next at the bottom here, tap on Add Tag and then give it a label. So here, for example, I'm going to give it a work label, then tap on Saved. And when you want to view the tags, you can tap on the More button and then tap on View and Edit Tags. So here I can view tags based on the label, and with this particular phone number, I have a work tag added to it. And that's it. So that is how you can add a tag to a phone number. It is a really useful way to organize and identify calls without cluttering your contacts list. And the purpose of adding the tags are to identify unknown numbers and categorize calls. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.